Hi, Dave McGarry here with GymMarketingExpert.com, and I wanted to welcome you back to our video series on how to develop a marketing plan. Today we're going to be talking about developing awareness. Now, I'll just give you a quick example. When I first built my membership site that I had created called WorkingMomWorkouts.com, I thought that, hey, if I built it, they would come. You know, like the Field of Dreams movie. Well, unfortunately, that wasn't the case. I had to understand that I had to develop the awareness of the product and the service that I was providing with it before people would take action. That's the same thing with your gym. You need to get that awareness out there. Now, you've heard this before, it takes anywhere from 5 to 15 times for a client or a customer to take action after seeing your ads, seeing you out there, whether it be on social media or direct mail or whatever. You need to focus in on certain channels that are going to help develop that awareness. Now, obviously, we all know that social media is important. We now have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have LinkedIn, we have Instagram, we have Pinterest, YouTube. All those are great channels to get your message out there. Now, the key is that you have to give them something that's going to want them to remember you. So it's not just, you know, being out there on social media. That's a whole nother strategy in itself. Take advantage of that opportunity to get the awareness out there so that people know who you are and they know what you're about, okay? Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to develop awareness, we can provide some more tips and strategies for you over on our blog, or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel here. We're gonna have some more videos on it. So I'd like for you to do that, and so we can help you grow your gym. Next video, what we're going to be talking about is on credibility. So stay tuned for that. We'll be back with that one. Till then, Dave McGarry, your gym marketing expert.